This 2023 Newmar Canyon Star 3947 is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, TV, Skylight, external shower, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, oven, slide-out, microwave, water heater, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Newmar Canyon Star 3947 is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.